Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mate. Today I'm talking about the microphone. We have three ways for the microphone. The first is the Android Screen built-in microphone. You can see here. This button is the microphone. The second is to use the original car microphone. I will show you how to connect it. Here in the power cable. In the new model we offer, it have a connections like this. Let me show you. There's a connector is hidden in the power cable. You can see this one. Microphone in here. You need to remove this. Let me show you. Here you can see microphone here. This one connect to this cable. This is the USB cable. It have a connection here. The same color here you can see. Microphone in here. Connect together. Okay, connect together. Just like this. And then you go to setting to choose external microphone. The settings, battery, go to factory here, choose vehicle, and then here, microphone external built-in dongle switch. You need to choose external here. Okay, choose external. That way it will use the original microphone here for Apple CarPlay here. This is the second way for the microphone for Android Screen. This is new features for our model, new features. But we also have some models, for example, BMW X3 E83. This kind of car types it not support. In that case, you need to use the third microphone. If you want to use the external microphone, you can use this. This connection connect to USB cables. The microphone here connect together. Okay, connect together. And install this kit to the place near to the driver. Okay, and then use the external microphone like this. Sure, you can also use the built-in microphone. That's okay. If you install the external microphone here, when you install to the dashboard, when you make a phone call, if you're driving, because the car have shock, it have vibration. That way, the phone calls might not so good. It might have noise because the car is vibration. You can use this kit and stick to the sun visor. Also, it's okay not use this. Just use a pin, a needle to stick this to the car. Then will be okay. Here. And because there is external microphone, so we also need to make a setting. Vehicle. To choose external for the microphone here. Choose external. Then will be okay. Now, this part I'm talking about the settings for the microphone. When you use the external microphone kit or OEM microphone, you just choose external here. But if you want to use the built-in microphone on here, in that case, you chose built-in microphone. And also notice here, MIC gauge is the microphone sensitivity here. You can set like this, 18. or 16, also okay. But if you set like this, if you know sounds when you speak in the phone, other people cannot hear you because microphone gain is too low. Okay, you can increase the microphone gain like this, but also not too high. When set too high, it might have the echo when you speak in the phone. Okay, this the first. Also, you should notice the CarPlay Z-Link here. When you use the Apple CarPlay, you can notice here, setting here, MIC room back. Please notice, set to none here, set to none. Some friends set to right or left if you have noise when you speak in the phone. Choose none here. This is the second. And the third is go to factory. Some friends, when he speak in the phone, other people can hear him, but he cannot hear other people speaking. You can go to setting here, vehicle. Here, FL speaker enable. You can choose disable. Disable. That way it will be fine. But for some cars like Mercedes NTG 5.0 or 5.1, sometimes you need to enable the FL speaker. That way the sound is better. You can hear more clearly when you speak in the phone. So this setting also relate to the microphone and the phone calls, these options. Okay, thank you very much.